Do you struggle with feeling bloated, sluggish? Do you struggle with brain fog, feeling heavy, maybe struggle with slow digestion? Let's have a conversation. I just want to give you some quick tips to start get you feeling better and offer up some solutions. Hints that I want you to think about are liver, gallbladder, and gut. So number one with liver, we want to help our liver. Our liver has 300 or more jobs every day, right? So we want your liver and your gut and your gallbladder to be able to do their job so we can get nutrients to the brain. A couple things to think of. Number one is your bitters. So any of the bitter greens, your arugula as an example, anything that tastes bitter, your dandelion root. It's kind of reminiscent of coffee. Dandelion, you can just look it up. It's a specific brand and it's powdered. So it has that kind of bitter coffee reminiscent flavor plus some chicory roots. So you're getting some great prebiotics in there that can do wonders to go in and support the liver. The other thing is more plants, the better. Okay, so ideally we want to get in every color every day. Lots of fiber through our fruits, vegetables, and berries. You really can't do too much. For those of you that are like, I've been told I shouldn't have any fruit, I don't really resonate with that. I don't think we want to cut out any major aspects like that. If you're someone who's really sensitive to blood sugar dysregulation, maybe we want to choose blueberries over bananas. We want to make sure that you're kind of balancing the fruit with also vegetables. But remember, fruit sugar is not all bad, and we're getting all sorts of nutrients by eating the fruit. So if you sit down every meal, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, can you look at it and say, all right, I have at least 3 colors. So you want to get in your bitters. You want to get in your wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and berries. You want to get in quality fats. You'd be surprised to know that quality fat can actually help combat the constipation. So like your macadamia nuts, your avocados. I don't want you to go, no, I'm not allowed to eat fat. Okay. The 80s and the no fat craze, I think, is part of the challenge with our diabetes and obesity epidemic that we're dealing with today. So no, fat is not bad as long as we're getting quality fat. That does not mean you're going to hear from me that I want you to be eating keto or paleo. I don't think there's any one way, and I'm not a big fan of fad diets, but we do want to get in quality fats such as your coconut oil, your nuts, your seeds, right? Your quality omega supplementation. I take Juice Plus every day. I do the Juice Plus omegas. That way I'm getting in the extra quality plants and also vegan omegas. The other thing for the bloating to help with digestion is potentially just adding in digestive enzymes before each meal, making sure that you're well hydrated throughout the day. So the digestive enzymes are going to help you better digest. Turmeric as a highlight anti-inflammatory food, maybe adding in some encapsulated turmeric and some digestive enzymes before your meals. And I mentioned hydrate, so I need to really make sure I'm clear there. Hydrating is like your second job, okay? First thing in the morning, what do? We hydrate, okay? I don't want you to hydrate heavily when you're eating a meal, right? What's ideal is that you drink a glass of water before a meal, in between meals, and you're hydrating throughout the day. Hydrate, it's going to help lubricate your brain. It's going to help lubricate your GI tract. So now we're supporting our liver, our gallbladder, and our gut. So for now, make sure you're hydrating, adding in something bitter every day. Maybe try dandelion tea. Increase fruits, vegetables, and berries, 3 colors every meal. Can you get in every color every day? If that's too much, start where you are and try to add a little bit more, all right? Adding in the quality fats are always going to add value, and then potentially considering digestive enzymes, maybe some lemon juice or some apple cider vinegar into your water. So cheers to your journey. All right, ciao, Bellas.